Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we are doing Ethereum Classic. Okay, and I've charted this one time, I believe, since I started my YouTube channel, which has only been about, what, 4.5 weeks, 5 weeks now. So I just started this channel, so this is new. So make sure you guys please subscribe and hit the like button and hit the all for notifications. I'd really appreciate it. So when I first started this channel, we did talk about, let's see, we were in this pattern. We talked about this bullish channel here, break it to the upside. This would be our target. Created a W. We had a trend right here. The W broke out. Boom, hit our first target at 62. And then I talked about areas of where I would buy and where I would sell, right? Okay, now let's skip ahead because that was a long time ago. We haven't charted it since. Well, we hit our sell zone here, and now we're in my buy zone, guys. We're in the buy zone, okay? And I'm doing this for you, Mikey. All right. So we are in the buy zone. This candle, when you see a candle like this is like an indecisive candle tug of war. But we still ended in a really good spot, okay? We ended above here, which was previous resistance, which is now turned into support. We had a couple wicks. Wicks don't matter, guys. It's about where the candle opens and closes, okay? So it's looking good there. Now let's see. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Now on the daily, what do we have? Do we have anything? Let's look. Let's go from the top. Let's drag this down to the bottom. Maybe I got to zoom in more, guys. Let's look. Maybe no. We had this short term here. So what are we going to do? We're going to go shorter term because that doesn't matter. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go from here and we're going to go here. That looks good. Okay. Let's see here. Then maybe we can do something. No, it's not a real good channel. That's not even a real good wedge. Let's look. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. I'm just charting this now. It's been a while. So this would be a nice little wedge right about here on that touch. So this is a bullish wedge, guys. Okay? So there's more potential of this breaking to the upside than to the downside right now. Could it go down more in the wedge? Yeah, anything can happen, right? So could it go like this and then break to the upside and then go? Yeah, that could happen. But the potential of it breaking to the upside is a lot more. The odds are better for this to go up to the upside than to the downside. All right. Now, I like what's going on here. I like the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. I like this 4-hour chart, guys. I'm not going to lie. We came out of our wedge, but you can see we touched the bottom of this wedge that I just drew. And yeah, I think, I actually like this. I think we can retest this. Guys, we get above 48 and get a 4-hour candle close above there or break out of this wedge and get above here and get a 4-hour close. Definitely more upside, in my opinion. Okay. Now, what I would do here is I would take, let's see what we got here. If I was trading this and I got here and I broke to this point, okay, I would, if I was buying right now, say I was buying right now. Yes, my first target would be around the 53, but there's a little bit of resistance right around here. Let me is the lock on? Why is nothing locking here? My charts are all wackadoo. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I could see that. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I could see that happening there. So, yeah, we could see a little bit of resistance here at the 50 mark, which from here, if you bought now, I mean, guys, it's still 9%. I would take a little bit here, move my stop to my buy-in once I broke above here on the 4-hour chart, and then I would wait for more upside. Okay, we could see something like this. Okay, all right, in between. All right, the big targets are these white ones though. Okay, anything in between, just something that could be a little stepping stone in the way. Um, so yeah, Ethereum Classics, it's looking good, guys. I don't do this often. You look at candle patterns, and I look at where my buy zone is, and yeah, I know my buy zone, on the daily is right where we're at. This is where I'd be purchasing right here. So for me, yeah, I mean, this would be a good area for me to purchase, and then let's see where would be. Let's look at a weekly. Let's look at a weekly just in case the weekly is going on. Let's see here, a weekly chart. 42. So we got 42 on the weekly. Okay. 44 is another weekly. Yeah, 44. So, yeah, maybe a little stop under the 44 mark. I don't know. See, it could go down in that channel. Let's look at the channel one more time. Daily. So we got this area. So this is a strong area right here. So under 42, but that's a lot. See, this is, let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, that's 8%. That's too much for a stop, in my opinion. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Let's see. What's the daily? The daily on this was here. Yeah, it's too much. See, this is tough. This is tough. Do you put it here? Do you put it here? It could be a bounce right here at 44.60. So maybe a little bit lower. This is a tough thing. So there's two things you can do, guys. You can play this smart or you can be aggressive. Okay? Aggressive would be buying right now and saying, forget this pat, or we don't care. We know this is going up and it's going to break. Or being conservative, waiting for this to break over this, get a 4-hour candle close above the 48.77 mark, and being on the safe side, and then taking a little profit once you get up to that 50 mark. That could be a possibility. That would be the safer bet. Or you could go a little bit aggressive here. Just watch out to see if you get a rejection here at the top of this wedge. Okay, make sure you don't want to do that. So maybe you could just put your stop loss a little bit under this daily candle, which would be at around 44.70 or 44.60 maybe, would be a stop if you wanted to be aggressive. So there's two ways you can play this, guys. Two ways you could play this. All right, but this is where we're at. We're in this bullish wedge. This does have more potential to go to the upside. So from here, it should go up. Okay? So in my opinion, yes, more upside for Ethereum. You can actually say, oh, this is a flag. You can actually say it's a bull flag. But either way, this is a bullish pattern, guys. It doesn't matter. Bull flag, bullish wedge, bullish channel. It's bullish. Okay, so it's looking good. All right. So yes, Ethereum Classics is looking good, but you still got to keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum, because if those start to go, this can go down in this. Okay. So I'm going to do a quick look at Ethereum here. Okay. Now, loving Ethereum, love this bounce. I like what I see on the hour. Okay. I'm liking what I see on the 4-hour, especially. I think we got a good double bottom here. I love this candle. I love this pattern. Okay. We are breaking out. We're hitting my current resistance. What was, oh, you guys, I can't make this up. Look at this. 2039. Okay. 2039. Right on point is where we're getting rejected. Okay. That was my first target. Shoot, I might take a little profit there. I want to see if a 4-hour candle closes out of this pattern, guys, for more upside. and then we get a 4-hour close above this 2039. Okay, that's what I'm looking for, because I like what Bitcoin's doing right now. Okay, and we're doing patterns and patterns, guys. Look, this was the same type of wedge or channel, I should say. Okay, bullish. Okay, we got to the bottom, we broke to the upside. All right, this is a bigger bullish channel. Okay, you can see the bigger bullish pattern. So we want to break out of this to get even more upside. All right, so that's what we're looking for. And you can see all the times we traded in these patterns, guys. Look at this. We crushed every single one of these trades. Look, we got the top. We sold the top. The bottom right here. We sold the top. We bounced off the double bottom. Then we rode all the way up here to the top. I told you I was all out. We just crushed it. Well, we're doing the same thing here. We're trying to trade within the pattern. Okay? So that's what we're doing. All right? Let's see if I can get something better on the hour for that. It's not enough touch points for me. Let's see what we got on the hour. Ethereum, guys, you got to watch these things. I just think it looks good. It just looks good to me. I like it. So we just got to watch Ethereum, watch Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin. Look at that, guys. Look at my levels just getting freaking respected. Oh man, look at that. What was the high? 33,187. I have 33,183. Guys, the accuracy is incredible. I'm disappointed because I took a shower and I wanted to see what would happen here, and we're getting rejected. And these usually would be my 10% take profit areas to cover my cost, okay, and then move my stop loss up. But I might have to just do that anyways. But I'm curious to see how this 4-hour candle closes. I'm curious to see how this 4-hour candle closes. All right, so if I see something ugly happening here, then yeah, I will take my 10% and then just move my stop loss up, okay, on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, we want to watch that. This is a potential buy zone. We are getting a little rejection even on, so you can see how it works. Bitcoin, Ethereum gets rejected. Look what's happening. This wick, we're getting rejection right here on Ethereum Classic. So just keep these things in mind, guys. I hope you guys like my new intro I added. I had to YouTube that and figure that out. So it was pretty interesting. So, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Listen, much love to you guys. But yeah, everything's looking good. Let's see. You guys check the futures as well, guys. Okay, we want to check the futures as well. I'm going to go back to Bitcoin on the daily just to make sure something here. We did open up. We did open up nicely, didn't we? We opened up nicely. Yeah, keep an eye on the futures for the stock market, because that always can play a role too. All right. Yeah. See, God dang it, we're getting rejected. Perfect targets, guys. Jesus, we hit our targets perfect. I might have to get off here and reevaluate my situation, because those were my little take profit areas, and we're nailing them as I'm doing this video. So, Ethereum Classic does look good right now. We are getting a little rejection off of Bitcoin and Ethereum, so maybe a little bit of a pullback and then a buy. Maybe a retest of this 44 area, or you can just, it depends how aggressive you guys are. Me personally, I would just kind of wait to break this area with a 4-hour. Okay, if you want to play it safe. All right, because then this way, if it does go down, at least you're not losing money, right? All right, listen, guys, much love. This looks bullish. Much love to you. I'm going to get this video out to you guys before I lose all my money in these other trades. But peace out to you guys. Much love and much respect. Make sure you guys hit that like. It's very important. Make sure you guys sub. And make sure you guys hit that bell and hit the all so you get my notifications, and follow me on Twitter. I'll put my link in the description. Much love to you guys. Peace out.